Here's interesting Fantasy Hike app. So yeah, it's in top charts right now in health fitness. So let's just take a look at it. Fantasy Hike walk to the mountain Mount Fire. It's a fantasy app. You know that magic. So here you read some story, you read some text, and just getting motivated. You need to give access to your motion and fitness activity. You need to give access to walking and tracking your Apple Health Fitness. Then it asks to send notifications, but you can skip it. To always track your activity, and then then you just need to walk here. Just you can just track your steps using this app, and then you can see here like how many miles you need to go to Mount Fire. You can see the date when the quest started, and yeah, this just makes your walking not that boring, because if you just track your steps, of course you can just count how many steps you want to do, but here you can just start it and just start the walking. And yeah, it's just more interesting way to track your steps, and it just has this nice background and nice steps tracking. So that's the idea of the app, but of course it's a health fitness app. So yeah, it's you can just go and look for it. So Fantasy Hike activity tracker app. Again, it's a health and fitness. Get motivated to walk. Fantasy Hike. It's a beautiful walking tracker for fantasy nerds and everyone that loves adventure. Start your quest today. All steps you take will let you half line avatar progress through a beautiful fantasy adventure from your comfy half line all the way to the Mount Fire. See how far you have walked since your journey started. Fantasy Hike lets you appreciate and be proud of your complete walking distance. Walk your dog, take a morning jog, or run between meeting rooms. No matter what you are doing, Fantasy Hike supports and motivates you to have a healthy lifestyle. So yeah, here you have that. This app has a lot of really nice ratings and reviews. Find an app edition that connects to the iPhone Health app and its connection, and you can increase your I absolutely love this app, and it was well worth $4 I spent on it. To be clear, I'm quite lazy a little of the time, and definitely overweight, and motivation to get off the couch has been my biggest obstacle in getting healthy. I have found myself exercising more and dropping a few pounds since I got this app a month ago. So yeah, for a lot of people, it's really nice fantasy addition to their motivation, because it's really boring just to track your steps in Apple Health app for a lot of people. But if you like Tolkien, like Lord of the Rings, and you can just add this addition to the app, it's a really cool idea. So try out this app, and then if you want to upgrade, I don't know what you get. It's just like unlimited walking distance per day, and that's just $4. $4, just one time purchase. It's not a monthly or weekly subscription, full version, and then there you have it. So yeah, as you can see in the limited trial, you will not be able to progress more than 1,500 meters per day. Just a bit annoying. So yeah, and then you will just see the map to Mount Fire, 2,865 kilometers. Then you can just see the route, and then you can see the your challenger, and then you can just select the challengers: slow, normal, or fast, or no challengers. It's quite fun. Then you can see all the stats. So nice designed app. Give it a try.